What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing great today.
Awesome, guys. Listen, as we do on the channel, sometimes we have topics that we cover in full. Sometimes we have news that we want to cover with you. This particular video is going to be pretty brief and based on some specific news that we thought was very important that you want to kind of pay attention to. Now, we all know that mass adoption is the goal for crypto. As we're following crypto every single day, we start to see news come out that kind of leads to the mass adoption level. Now, when we're talking mass adoption, it doesn't get much bigger than Google, right? Justin's going to share with you an article on Google and what they've been up to in regards to crypto. We're going to discuss it, then we're going to get out of here. So, Justin, up to you, brother.
Awesome, thanks. So Google is taking over. So with over $1.5 billion in blockchain and crypto investment, Google is outranking all the other firms, okay? So if we look, a recent analysis of block data compared the data collected from the top 100, supposed to say companies, but they put banks there, but it's companies that are frequently investing in crypto and blockchain companies. So when they looked, they collected data from September 2021 to mid-June 2022, and they found that the most active investor was Samsung. They invested in about 13 different companies with crypto and blockchain technology. Then UOB was 7, Citigroup was 6, Goldman Sachs was 5, and then the next had 3. So then if we come down here and we can actually see a little chart that they have for us. So Google was the highest with 1.5 billion. They have 4 investments. Then BlackRock, as we all know, is next, and they had 3, with FTX being a big one. And also you can add crypto.com because they invested in them. And then some big ones here that I noticed was Samsung and Yuga Labs. We all know Yuga Labs is Basie. Goldman Sachs was in Certic. And so Talos showed up a lot for the payments, Melon, PayPal. We have Immutable X also. So a lot of big companies that we know got invested in or got investments from larger companies. Okay, so it comes down and they talk more about Google investing. But I think this is super bullish because the biggest company in the world, or one of the largest companies in the world, is investing in crypto because they see the future and they see the potential in crypto, and they're already adopting it now.
Yeah, and the fact that they're investing in the blockchain technology, right, that kind of gives you credence to the long-term aspect of investing in the crypto, right? They're not directly investing in crypto, or maybe they are, we just don't know that part. However, them investing in the blockchain tells you that they're bullish on crypto for the long term because blockchain takes a longer time to develop, but also the fact that they're investing into firms like or platforms such as FTX, it kind of leaves credence to stand by, right? We already had heard a lot of news about BlackRock. We've heard a lot of news about these other projects, but one that we haven't really heard much about is Google investing in the long term. It turns out they're the #1 person kind of investing in the long term of crypto, which I think is extremely bullish for crypto. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the ClearCryptos educational channel. This was going to be a quick video, like we said before. We just wanted to cover some of this news as it comes out and keep you guys up to date. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, turn those notification bells on so you know when ClearCryptos releases yet another video or goes live for the day. But my name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That man above me is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.